ASMRscience, we're going to revise chromatography. You will need a pencil, a ruler, and a piece of chromatography or filter paper. The first thing you're going to do is draw a pencil line 1 centimetre from the bottom of the paper. Make sure you do this with a pencil and not a pen. A pencil is not soluble in water, so it won't affect your results. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the dye or the ink that you want to do chromatography with, and you're going to place a small spot on the pencil line. Today we're going to call this ink Ink X, and in a minute we're going to compare it to some other inks. After you've added your piece of chromatography paper into water and secured it at the top somehow, making sure that only the bottom of the paper touches the water. As the water is absorbed up the paper, it's going to take your ink with it. The colours at the bottom will have larger particles, and the colours at the top are going to be more soluble with smaller particles. Now what we're going to do is we are going to compare Ink X to these pens A, B, C, D, E. I've taken another piece of filter paper. I'm putting spots of ink onto the pencil line. I've labelled which one is which using a pencil so it doesn't affect the results. Looking at the results, Ink X has yellow, orangey pink, dark blue and light blue, so we're going to look for a similar pattern with inks A to E. C is very different, and we can clearly see they don't match. D is a different colour pattern, much darker. B, again, a much darker colour pattern, although there is a similarity with the light blue. A and E are much similar to X, but E has got the pink at the beginning, and X has not